Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to discuss about optionals, one of the new features of Swift programming language that was introduced by Apple in last WWDC. So what's an optional really? So an optional can be defined as a constant or a variable in Swift that can or cannot be null, or should I say nil. So how is it distinguished or how is it defined? So it's defined by adding a question mark right after the type declaration for that variable or the constant. Okay, so now let's try to distinguish between an optional variable and a normal variable. So what I'm going to do is I am going to declare a variable named image, which is an UI image view, and let's quickly write a small function which we will use for all our examples here. It's kind of empty right now, and obviously I'll have to call it in beauty cloud. Okay, so this is a normal variable. This is called image, which is of type UI image view. So let's initialize this normal variable. Again, this is not an optional obviously because this does not have a question mark right after UI image view. So let's initialize this variable with an empty UI image view, which means it's essentially nil. So if I want to want this image view to be assigned nil, then see what happens. So I get a compile time error. It says this UI image view does not conform to the protocol NI literal convertible. So what does this mean? This means that a normal variable which is not an optional cannot have a nil value. So how do we get rid of this? It's quite simple because we said that optionals can have nil value. So we define the image as an optional, and then this compile time error is now gone. Image can now have a nil value.